This university created the very first institute on climate change in the entire United States in 1972. They have significantly contributed to our understanding of the causes and effects of climate change on our daily lives. This is the University of Maine. Located in Maine, it is one of the northernmost universities in the United States, just 100 miles from the Canadian border. In fact, Maine is one of the safest states in the US. And walking around campus felt laid back and very down to earth. Over 12,000 students that study here on a variety of programs. But what makes this university really special is their focus on sustainability, environmental science, marine science, and climate change. And that is something you'll often hear from students about the University of Maine.
Environmental science programs, everything from marine science to forestry, is super great, super accredited.
I chose it because it's one of the top universities for marine science.
And this is the Institute of Climate Change, where UMaine researchers study the effects of climate change from around the planet to marine life, to fisheries, to coastal communities, and help inform us on how we can respond to the changing climate. They are also a leader in polar science that can help us understand the impact of Arctic change on our ecosystem. They even have an advanced structures composite center, which is driving research innovation in green energy and materials to create a greener, sustainable world. And right behind me is the Maine Business School, which is the largest business school in the entire state of Maine. They have an MBA program in sustainability. Given that companies in today's world focus on economic growth and environmental protection, students can combine their business learning and take courses from the College of Natural Sciences, forestry, or any other research centers. Even on campus, you will find themes and symbolism of nature and environmental preservation, like bear claws, which is part of their mascot, or dolphins, to the sign I saw that said, "Nothing in biology makes sense except in the light of evolution." And they have greenhouses on campus to provide space for research projects in sustainable agriculture and forest science. And right behind me is the Fogler Library, which is the largest library in the entire state of Maine. They have a huge collection of US government publications and documents from the United Nations, which includes extensive materials on environmental policies, sustainable practices, and climate change research. At the University of Maine, students are not just prepared for a career, but to be stewards of our planet, champions of sustainability, and architects for a better tomorrow. This is Patrick Carriel, signing off from the University of Maine, and I will see you at the next university.